Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Miu sunglasses model SMU08S and color code 1AB-9K1. The color of the frame is black. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are also gray. On its temple, you'll find the Miu logo. On both sides. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Miu logo and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 63 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 135 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Miu gift box, a Miu pink puffy bag, a pink Miu hard case, a Miu booklet, a gray Miu cleaning cloth, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Luxottica. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.